You're choking me, I was so obsessed. Gave you all of me, and now honestly I got nothing left. I loved you dangerously, more than the air that I breathe. Knew we were cursed at the speed that we were going. Didn't care if the explosion ruined me. Baby, I loved you dangerously. 울고 싶지 않아. I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this?
You have my heart, we'll never be words apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be my star, baby. 'Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you I'll always share, because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever, said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm sticking out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella.
Es fácil, hay que poner esta mano aquí, ¿sí? Y pones esa otra en mi hombro. Pondré mi mano en tu cadera y a bailar. ¿Ves? Es fácil. No tienes de qué preocuparte.
내놔 긴장했다 급한 대장 We are bulletproof We are bulletproof Bulletproof 이름은 jungkook 스케일은 전국 학교 대신 연습실에서 밤새 춤을 추고 노래 불러내 너희가 놀 때 난 꿈을 집도
나의 밤은 빛
딥 켜져 있는 TV 시끄럽지 내 맘처럼 넌 대체 어떠한 이유로
내 맘을 걷다는 멋대로인지 그게 싫다는 게 아니고 혹시 네가 너무 피곤할까봐 걱정돼서 그렇지 내 맘이 그래
남의 너며 네 너어도 너는 마치 지동 위험한 서머 yeah 너는 여태 내가 느껴봤던 쓸쓸함의 온전 네 생각에 잠 못 자다가 보면 오전 yeah.
이런 나는 어쩌나 너는 봐도 네가 나 생각나 너는 내게 유일한 어쩌나
난 어쩌나
그대로 어쩌나 너 때문에 난 이제 어쩌나
배고픈 매일 네가 좋은 걸 어쩌나
그대는 어떤가 나 때문에 잠들기
저 바람 다 밀어서 날아와 넌 내 맘 다 훔쳐서 달아나
황금빛 태양보다 더 빛나 머물러줘 넌 나만의 천사 백수원가
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.